Welcome to 9-minute yoga in the woods with the waterfall. Find yourself in a nice grounded position, in a standing position. You can bring your hands to heart center, closing your eyes, getting grounded, pulling your shoulders away from your ears. Breathing in and exhale your hands to your sides, opening your eyes. Feeling each muscle group in the nice, strong, tall mountain pose, arriving in this practice. Inhale your arms up overhead, and we'll take the left arm, grasping your wrist, pulling your arm over your body, getting a nice side stretch. Steady breathing. Exhale, inhale, other side. Feeling the stretch down the side of your body. Exhale your arms down. And from here, find a nice grounded standing position as you step one leg back in a wide lunge. Front leg is deeply bent while the back leg is straight. You can warm up the knee a little bit if you'd like by pulsing. When you're ready, swing the arms up in front of your body, over your head, feeling nice and grounded. And then bringing your arms parallel to the ground, gazing at the front hand. Taking this position a bit deeper, resting your elbow on your knee as you bring your arm up overhead. We'll switch sides. Inhale, release that, and we'll go to the other side. Stepping the opposite foot back in a wide lunge position. Feeling nice and grounded. Warming up the knee a little bit, small pulses if you'd like. And then from here, swing those arms up overhead. Front leg is deeply bent, back leg is strong and straight. Feeling rooted. Bring your arms parallel to the ground. Gazes at the front hand to the bent knee. And then swivel your front arm down, resting that arm on your leg as you bring the opposite arm up overhead. Breathing. Inhale to release and stepping up to the front. We'll go through a short sun salutation flow here. Raising your arms up overhead, swan diving your hands down to your toes, bending your knees, resting your head down. Inhale, back up, slowly raising up. Arms up overhead, then dive back down towards your toes in a nice deeply bent position. Knees can be bent generously, allowing yourself to hang here, resting your belly on your thighs. You can pedal out your knees, whatever you feel is needed in this moment. And slowly raise up Back to standing, lifting your arms up overhead, and then bringing your hands back down to heart center. One more time, inhale, raising your arms up. Exhale, swan dive your fingertips down to your toes. Deeply bent knee position if you like, and then raise back up. Inhale, arms overhead, prayer position. From here, finding nice grounded position with your feet as we move into a balancing pose, bringing your left foot against your right ankle, opening up that left knee out in a balancing position. You can raise your foot up on your leg as long as it does not rest on your knee. You can raise your arms up overhead, bring your palms together or apart, or simply by on your hips or to prayer position. We'll move to the other side, feeling nice and grounded in that foot before you find position that works for you into tree pose. Opening up that knee wide out to the side, pressing that foot into the leg, raising your arms up towards the sky if you'd like, bringing your hands to heart center if you'd like, or resting your hands on your hips. What is good for your body. Exhale, release everything down. And from here, again, finding a nice grounded position as you lift your right leg up, feeling grounded in the left leg, and crossing that right ankle over your left knee. And then sinking your hips down towards the ground, hands to heart center, feeling nice and balanced and grounded here. Inhale, release. We'll move to the other side, feeling nice and grounded in that right leg as you lift your left leg up off from the ground and cross your left ankle over your right knee, and then sinking the hips back down towards the ground in a chair position, hands at heart center, breathing steady. Inhale, release, and bring your hands to heart center, closing your eyes, coming back to this moment. Namaste.